How's everyone doing? Thanks for joining me on my small engine repair channel. Today's video is on this Toro CCR 3650, and what I'm going to show you to do today is to lubricate the chute. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is take this chute off, and I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver to hold the end of the bolt on the inside, and then zip off this 1/2-inch nut for all three of these guys. So guys, get yourself a bowl or something to collect all your nuts and bolts. There's going to be quite a few. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is take off these two bolts here. So for these ones guys, 7/16 nuts. Okay, so we're going to move over here to the front side. So on this front side we got 1, 2, 3, 5/16. I'm going to take my key out as well. Alright, so just pull up the pull cable, or the pull rope I should say. You can kind of take this off, sort of move it out of place for now. On this side over here, yours might have an actual screw in here as well. Mine did not actually have that screw. So now you just have to take your fuel cap off for now. And that gets your top plastics off. Alright guys, so now that I have all the panels off, and what we're going to do is we're just going to use a little bit of this little white lithium grease, and we're going to grease up all of these little gears of the chute. Okay, so I'll spray some in here on this gear. Okay, and quite a liberal amount, and we're going to work that in. Move it a little bit, spray it some more. Okay, move it until we got the whole thing pretty much coated with this white lithium grease. If you don't have lithium grease, I mean, just kind of use whatever grease you have, I guess. But I like to use the white lithium grease just because it kind of seems to last the longest and coats it real well. Also, as I turn this, I'm going to be using it on these gears as well. It's as easy as this, guys. The hardest part is getting the whole thing taken apart, unfortunately. But for preventative maintenance, you're going to want to make sure you keep doing this every so often so it operates nice and smoothly. Doesn't hurt to kind of spray some like right in this track area as well. And all the way around. And just work it back and forth a couple times, guys. So it's just as easy as that. Just routine maintenance, guys, to help your machine last a little bit longer. So hopefully this was informative. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button at the bottom there. And as always, till the next project, take care.